Hello, this is Caroline Record. I am demoing my final project for 15112. So this is my interface. The first thing you do is you load a sample image. So I'm just going to navigate to my example images, and I could choose anything, but I'm going to just use sample 1. Okay, so this is my uncolorized image. And I'm going to choose my left image. So this image is going to replace the black in the picture. Right? So I'm going to use a picture of a night sky. And then I'm going to choose the right image, which will replace the white. And I'm going to use a sky during the day for that. There we go. So now I could do two things from this point. I could enter live viewing mode, or I could post-process a video. I'm going to show live viewing mode. And this is going to take a second to load because, as you can see in the terminal, it is making every single combination between these two images so that processing can be faster when the program is running. So it needs to get to 255, and then it'll be complete. Okay. So it's taking the webcam feed, it'll take any camera input, and then it colorizes it. So now something black will be one image, and something white will be the bluer image. Okay, so that is live video, so I could eventually adapt this to working with any camera and maybe using a live projection setting. Okay. So we can also post-process videos, but because of limited time, I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to show two videos that I already post-processed. This is the original black and white video that I made with a heat-sensitive camera. And I'm going to show that colorized with the two images you just saw. So you can see it's exactly the same video. It's just colorized between these two different images. And I could use any image I wanted to do that. So there's two features. There's the post-processing video, and then there's the live viewing mode. So that's my final project. Thank you.